The federal emission standards are tighter than ever, and if your truck is blowing thick black smoke while showing a P2053 code, then you are dealing with a serious problem in your selective catalyst reduction system. This code means the powertrain control module has detected an open circuit with no voltage for the reductant injection valve on engine bank 1 unit 2. Bank 1 is always the side of your engine that has the number 1 cylinder, and Unit 2 tells us that your vehicle is using multiple injection systems to keep the air clean. In modern diesel engines like those found in the Ford Super Duty or a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, the exhaust gas recirculation and particulate filters simply are not enough to meet US emission rules by themselves. That is why the selective catalyst reduction system was invented to inject diesel exhaust fluid into the exhaust stream right in front of the catalytic converter. This precisely timed injection raises the temperature of the filter so it can burn off pollutants like nitrogen oxides more effectively. The entire process is managed by the computer, which watches your oxygen and exhaust temperature sensors to decide exactly when to spray that fluid. When the computer detects no voltage on the control circuit for this valve, it triggers the code, and your car might even enter a limp mode to prevent damage to the exhaust. You will notice a major drop in engine performance, and you might see excessive smoke trailing behind you as you drive. The most common causes for this are a bad injection valve or an open circuit in the control wiring, but do not forget to check if you are simply out of diesel exhaust fluid in the reservoir. To fix this, you should start by visually inspecting the wiring harnesses and connectors for any signs of heat damage or broken wires near the exhaust system. Use a diagnostic scanner to retrieve any freeze frame data and then clear the code to see if it returns during a test drive. If it does return, you will need a digital voltmeter to test the power supply to the control system while the circuit is under a load. If you have battery voltage but the valve is not moving, then the solenoid-based injector has likely failed. You should definitely see a qualified diesel mechanic if the wiring looks perfect, because you might be facing a programming error or a faulty standalone controller. Addressing this quickly is vital, because ignoring an open injection valve circuit can lead to permanent damage to your expensive catalytic converter, which could cost you thousands of dollars to replace. Keep your emissions system healthy, and your truck will stay powerful and legal for every heavy load you pull.